Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a desk tour, so let's get started.
So I just wanted to start out with sort of an overview of the 3 desk spaces that I use to plan and run my Etsy shop from. Today will be mainly a desk tour, and I wanted to feature my new standing desk. This is the E6 standing desks from Flexispot, and this has been totally game-changing for my planning and also my packaging. And I'll show you guys why in just a second, but here it is. One of my favorite features of this desk are the memory buttons that allows me to program my favorite positions. This standing position is my new favorite planning position, as 1, it brings me closer to a light source, and number 2, the desk overall is super stable, giving me much more clear, high quality content. So yes, hopefully you guys notice a difference in my upcoming videos. But this desk has been so great. There's multiple sizes, and I got the rubber wood desktop, which fits so perfectly into my room aesthetic. All right, so let's get started on all the different things. All right, starting on this side of my desk, hopefully I can keep this really stable. I wanted to showcase what's on this part of the desk first. This is where I've been starting to do some packaging. I've moved my laptop over here. I plan to bring some of the label printers up to my desktop soon. But yes, I have these envelopes here, which I like to ship out with, and my business cards and some freebie stickers. In this drawer here, let's see, I've just got like staples and stamps and things along those lines. And this can go up and down with me, so if I want to package while sitting or standing, it's available. This mat here, I'll link in my Amazon storefront. I actually have 2 of them because I think they are just so cute and so aesthetic, and it's really big. As you can see, this is my Hobonichi Weeks, and there's still like a lot of space around to kind of showcase and plan, and you could even have like a little mouse pad here. This also functions as a mouse pad if you just wanted to use this itself to keep it nice and streamlined. I just feel like this has been so amazing. The next thing on this desk that I have is my Shop Canva filming stand. A lot of you guys have wondered, how am I filming these videos? This allows me to kind of connect my phone here, and I have a direct view of my planner and my process. It also has a light function, but I will say I am not using that at the moment. Over here is my Chikawa little clip that you guys, if you watch my unboxing of my Hobonichi items, I got in that Jet Pens order. However, it is not as strong as I would have liked it, so I've just been using it here as kind of decor. On the stand itself, I have some washi tape and a lotion. Someone recommended to use this as I have been having very dry hands, so I'm doing that, keeping that right on my desktop. So this is where, yeah, I'm going to be doing all of my planning videos from now on, just because it's just so much more stable and I can bring it up, hopefully getting better shots and videos. Moving to these other desks over here, let's just pan over. These are from IKEA, and I've had them for years. They're just like your standard 4-post desk, but let's take a look and see what's on top. This little washi tape cart, or I think I got this from Michael's a long time ago. This is kind of where I've been keeping my most used washi tapes as of recent, or ones that I want to try. And it's so easy for me to just transfer it over to here when I'm planning, and then I have everything accessible for me as I need. You guys might recognize this little drawer. I think I got it from Home Goods a while ago, but these are my Hobonichi supplies. And in here, this is what I was planning downstairs, but I essentially kept my like sticker book, and then some extra pen cartridges, stickers, my little photo printer, a label printer here, and just some like whiteout tape, glue dots, glue sticks, little clips, and some extra Energel cleanup pens at the back. But this has kind of just stayed in the corner here because this was more if I was planning downstairs. In the corner here, I have these, I think, linked in my Amazon storefront, that they are these little storage containers that clip together with this black clip. But I've got some Arteza markers, Ohuhu markers, Tombow brush pens, and I think these Tri Plus fine liners down there. Maybe some permanent markers at the very base, but things that I'm not using that frequently, hence they're in the corner here. Over here, just like little, I don't know, kind of like post-it thin paper sheets that you can add into your planner. A little candle. I've just got some things on the ledge here. This here also from Amazon. Oh no, sorry. This is from Muji. Sorry about that. It's this 3-tier kind of eyeglass case, but I've used it for some like random electronics and things along those lines. Got a little stamp pad. Over here I have some rubber stamps. I can't recall where I bought these from. Oh, this is from the Notebook Therapy. And these are just some like bullet journal rubber stamps that I hope to use sometime. In these containers here, these are from the Container Shop. And it's where I've been kind of like storing my stickers so that I can package easily when I'm standing over here at this desk. I kind of have everything accessible. Moving to this part of my desk here, I just have some cute accessories, a little sticker I added from Daiso. This is some ink, and I think I got it from Mido. And yeah, I actually don't use these that often, but I thought they were really cute. This is just like an old bottle that I put some fake flowers in, some pictures on my wall. And then in here I have some ink pads when I used to do a lot of stamping, and I have the acrylic blocks to connect to. In here is just like a bunch of, this would be like the junk drawer, let's say, but I've got a bunch of like, I don't know, washi tape, paper clips, little pins, just kind of random things that I don't use too often. Another little washi tape drawer, just keeping it in there. I've got some Pantone colors in here and like little notebooks. I made this a really long time ago, but this is from a Mama Elephant stamp pad, and I made 2 little like coasters. Let's see, back here, just some pens and glue. I'm not sure why I have this string here, but a little jar of tacks, and then some colored pencils. These, the storage container, and these here are all on my Amazon storefront. It's all from Amazon. Let's see, back here a little bit messy, but I've got some like post-its that I obviously am not using that often, so I just like tuck them back there. This is actually a washi tape holder, but I've just been using it to keep the cord away, and then I've just been tucking all this to kind of like stay in the back here. This is just a little container from Target to keep some paper and my packaging material. Here's another area where I've been storing like stickers for orders, and then some things I wanted to try out, like this kind of tan, or I guess it's the same color as the Hobonichi paper. It's like a whiteout tape, so I wanted to try that. This is my 2026 planner that you guys have probably seen videos on. Just have it there looking super cute. And moving over here, let's see, let me shift this over. This box here is also from Amazon. But back here, this little thing, I don't use that often anymore. Don't even know what's in here. Oh, more lotion and some contacts. Okay. I got some Post-its, glue sticks, and just like different pens and things. Sometimes I grab from the shelf here. It's just like some glue dots and whiteout. And then I've got this little container here, which is actually something that I do use pretty often. And I'll probably move it over there to my standing desk area when I'm planning. And then just another little pot back here with some like hole punchers and extra scissors. All right, back to this area. Oh, maybe you guys have seen this in some of my TikTok videos. These are some little stamp pads that I hope to put into a YouTube video soon. And like I said earlier, I did get two of these mats because I love them so much. I just feel like it creates such a cute desk setup. I hope you guys agree. This is the Aula F99 keyboard, but I just switched out the little keycaps as I thought these were so cute, and they make a nice little clicky sound. This here I absolutely love. That is from Target. I'm gonna have a seat actually. This is from Target and I got it. It also has like a charging, I think there's like a little bit of maybe a magnetic charging station here. I haven't set that up. I don't use it for that. I just loved this like wood color and the gold accents. But in this drawer, has a pretty deep drawer as you can see. I have a full Hobonichi there. Little keycaps or key switches. I've got some post-its. Just tuck that away in this little slot. I've been keeping a post-it and some like bigger notepads, some stickers. On the actual top here, I have a little post-it. This here, this guy got from Temu. He's actually a phone holder, but I use it to hold some pens. My little Totoro and my little fur babies who are now over the Rainbow Bridge. My bunny phone holder here and one of my stickers, and this is just like a little clip that I have there. On this little lamp here, which is also from Target a long time ago. I just keep my little Cricut thing here and some pens that I do for international orders. I use those. And then back here I have this little, it's actually a plant holder, but I've just been putting like little, gosh, are those called key switches? I haven't done that in a while, so forgot the terminology, but I think it's a key switch. And then lastly over here, I have some of my newer stencils with this cool craft tone. I'm so excited about this new material. I feel like it's stronger, and because it's on both sides now, you can plan on both sides, which I think is very cool. I'll still probably just plan on one side. And then back here are my Ohuhu markers. It's a little bit off center there. I'll probably fix that after this video, but I really got into coloring at the end of last year, so I picked up a pretty big set, as you can see. And then my laminator, and then I just wanted to pan over one more time over my desk setup and kind of what's going on here. I'm not going to do an official room tour just yet, as the other side of my room is pretty full. But at the very least, I am very happy with my desk space. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.